Hello guys, so today we have two kayaks. This one is old kayak and this one is new-ish new for me, but it's second hand. I bought it with a good deal, and it's ocean kayak with very big hull, kind of like a V form to cross the waves, kind of that stuff. That's the ocean kayak. And that is, I think as well, you can use for sea, oceans, lakes, rivers. So that is a bit wider, it's only 13 foot. This one is a little bit narrow and it's a 15 foot. And we're gonna try how good it is. Already made a few marks, extra ones, but not luck. It's second hand, but in good shape, good condition. So packed everything, prepared, and let's go to try to catch a few pikes and of course to get pleasure. Let's go. One kayak is on the river. I hope she's gonna be fine. And second kayak. So it's gonna be challenging. First to get it down. I think I'm gonna get these ones down first. I'm not sure 100% how it's gonna work. Dumped. And this one this way. Okay. Up. That's it. So first sit in. Up. Gerai. Bet sunkiau valdyti jau. Офигенный. Cool. Got it. Hello. Hello, buddy. It's actually very fast kayak. Only a few pedals and it crossed the water really nice. I'm not using any power and my wife is behind, completely behind. We can do racing right now.
Pense bem antes de agir. Se não for agora, te espero lá fora, então deixe-me ir. Dia te encontro nessas suas voltas. Minha mente é mó confusão, não solta minha mão que eu sei que cê volta. O tempo mostra nossa direção, se eu soubesse que era assim eu nem vi. Tô bebendo champanhe, catando latinha, mas tive que perder pra aprender, dar valor pra você entender seu amor, mas não quer ser mais de mim. Não diz que não me quer por perto, mas imagens olhando nos meus olhos. Desculpe se eu não fui sincero, mas a vida que eu levo, erros lógicos. Óbvio, cada letra em rap é um código sórdido, psicografado, som sólido, súbito. Nunca fui de fase sombra público. Verso meu universo, peço que entenda meu mundo, mina. A gente briga por bobeira demais, a gente pira o tempo vira por bobeira demais. O amor é bandeira de paz, mas se não der, vai em paz, me do perto. Vive, quero viver, ensinar e aprender. Menino, eu sigo com você, mas tente entender. Eu tentei, a vida é curta pra chorar pela ex. Eu falei pra mim mesmo enquanto eu chorava outra vez. Eu vou ficar, mas vou pela manhã. Sem me despedir, vou antes do café. Que é pra não te acordar, sei que não sou nem um Dom Juan. Sou todo errado, mas tô certo que você me quer. Eu vou ficar, mas vou pela manhã. Sem me despedir, vou antes do café. Que é pra não te acordar, sei que não sou nem um Dom Juan. Sou todo errado, mas tô certo que você
Ei,
me
amor,
quer.
sei que tá tão difícil eu falar de amor, porque lá fora é tanto ódio e rancor. Eu preciso muito te falar. Ei, amor, eu tô contigo independente do caô. Cê sabe que onde você for eu vou. Já passou da hora da gente se encontrar. Se amar, nega. Cê sabe que contigo nada vai me abalar. A viagem é longa, então faça mala. Na vibe mais positiva, não vem te mandar lá. Esse papo de quem, se tu desistisse.
Check. So guys, we're struggling with catching fish. Pike doesn't bite. Doesn't matter where I'm casting. Doesn't want. Kayak actually is good. Very stable. Very stable. I'm surprised because I was a bit paranoid about stability of this kayak when I thought about how wide is my one and how big different is, but it's actually brilliant. It's a little bit harder to maneuverate, but in general it's okay. I'm happy. It was really worth it to spend that amount of money. I'm not gonna say how much, but I'm happy I found on done deal, and I happened time I text the guy and he sold for me with really good price, so happy days. So it's very enjoyable pleasure. And you can go anywhere, even doesn't need any boat. If the good weather, it's always nice to have something. You wanna see a guy with a small kayak. See, I think he has a 10-foot only kayak, but he's enjoying kayaking in river and kind of that place like here. Wonderful. So I'm still keeping hammering. Hands is getting a bit tired. Problem with kayaks is the hands is always same position. So we're trying to find the best position for yourself.
Lifted, shifted higher than the ceiling. It's the ultimate feeling. You got me lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, 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 sugar, how you get so fly?
Kick it. Get blow. I love the sugar.
So fly.
You know it's nothing when we ride, wood grain and raw high. Doing what we do, watching screens, getting high. Girl, you keep it so fly with your sweet honey buns. You was there when the money gone, you be there when the money comes. Off top, I can't lie. I love to get blow. You're my little sugar, I'm your little chulo. And every time we kick it, it's all to the groovy. Treat you like my sticky icky or my sweet ooey gooey. For real though.
Lifted, shifted higher than the ceiling. And ooh, it's the ultimate feeling. You got me lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, 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 sugar, how you get so fly?
Get blow, I love to kick it. Get blow, I love the sugar.
So fly.
I ain't worried about a thing, cause I just hit me a lick. I got a fat sack and a super fly chicken. It ain't nothing you could say to a player, cause do what? She fly like the planes in the air. That's right, she full grown, setting the wrong tone. I'm digging the energy and I'm loving her ozone. So fly like a dove, fly like a raven, quick to politic with some fly conversation. In a natural mood, and I'm a natural dude. And we some natural food, blowing out by the pool. She like my sexy cool mama, with blades on the provider, rockin' Doja Cabana, hydro and a guana.
Lifted, shifted, higher than the ceiling. And ooh, it's the ultimate feeling. Got me lifted, feeling so gifted.
Fish, fish, fish.
Sugar, sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, sugar, how you get so fly?
Not a big jackie. But the bait is okay. Let's see. Let's see it that way. That's it. Very gentle bite. Really gentle bite. Around a kilogram. Da-da-da-dam. Okay, go home. Ho, 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 ho. Nice. So we're going home. Our exploration or exploring time is over, and I'm very happy with new kayak. Works really well. So happy days. Easy to use, stable, very stable. So that's good. And pretty much it's easy to jump inside as well. Didn't feel any discomfort with my new kayak. Just gonna need to do a few upgrades and it's gonna be perfect. So thank you guys for watching, subscribing, and who came in the same spot where I was having lunch? Pelicha. So okay guys, thanks for watching, subscribing, and see you next time. Enjoy fishing trips. Oh, how are you? Strange. Bye.